some of the best views in the high desert, this unique dwelling situated in the hills of Yucca Valley has everything you could want in a desert getaway. Its clear walls take the indoor-outdoor experience to a whole new level. It has its own deck and propane fire pit, is completely off-grid and generates its own power from the sun. The detached kitchen and full bathroom are just yards away. It is one of 3 other short-term rentals on the property. Made out of corten steel and polycarbonate, this cabin is unlike anything you have stayed in. It comes with a detached full bathroom with hot water, a kitchen with stove, sink, all types of cooking equipment and a dining area. Because it is completely off-grid, we are limited on a few things, mainly power. We have power for lights, water and heating, but we don't have enough for full-time refrigeration or power outlets. We have USB chargers for your phone and tablets though. We do have a cooler, so please bring ice. There is a fire pit, so make sure to bring plenty of firewood. The gas for the stove is provided. Are you craving for more of our contents? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to Tiny Luxury House.